TS set 2024 English syllabus, friends. There are 10 units in the syllabus. First 4 units are related to methods, theory and the external knowledge of the candidates. Remaining 6 units are completely about the topic subject. Let's see unit wise syllabus. Unit 1 is drama, unit 2 poetry, unit 3 fiction short story, unit 4 non-fictional prose, unit 5 language means English language, basic concepts, theories and pedagogy, English in use, unit 6 English in India, its history, evolution and futures, unit 7 cultural studies, unit 8 literary criticism, unit 9 literary theory post World War II, unit 10 research methods and materials in English. There are 2 papers in the exam. Paper 1 consists of 50 questions, each question carrying 2 marks, means 50 into 2, 100 marks for paper 1. Paper 2 consists of 100 questions, each question carries 2 marks, means 200 for paper 2. Total marks are 300 and the time is 3 hours. Exam dates are 28th, 29, 30, 31st of August 2024. The last date of application is 2nd July 2024 without late fee. This is the syllabus of TS set 2024.